Hello guys, I'm Mr.Mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model, and here we have a section view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this model in SolidWorks. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. Firstly, I have to close the model. For closing model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come to the new part. Okay. Now here we have a new part. Firstly, I'm going to draw the sketch of the top view. Then we will extrude the sketch. So for drawing a sketch, we need a plane, and here we have three standard planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first, it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch to make a new sketch. Here we have an open sketch. And now choose center line. I'm going to draw a horizontal center line. Here in option, turn on midpoint line and start drawing the center line from the origin point. So draw a horizontal center line. So you can see as I move the line, here this is horizontal. You can see the yellow symbol. So here click on the screen and right click and select to exit the tool. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, just come to hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. Here choose a circle, 2-point circle, and draw two circles in each other, and do the same thing here, two circles. So draw the circles at the this point of the center line. So here draw two circles at the middle of the center line and right click and select to exit the circle. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 80 millimeter, and the dimension of the smaller circle is 50 millimeter. The dimension of this circle is equal with this one. So hold the control button and choose these two circles, and in add relation give it equal relation, and do the same thing here, equal relation. So you can simply hold the control button and choose these two circles. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the origin point is 150 millimeter, and the dimension of this circle is 120 millimeter, and the dimension of the smaller circle is 100 millimeter. And now here choose 3-point arc and start drawing the arc from this circle and draw an arc. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and here draw another arc and connect this arc to this circle and right click and select. Now we have to make these arcs tangent to each other, so you can simply hold the control button and choose these two arcs, and let me delete this relation. We have to give it a tangent relation. So you can see in existing relation, here is the tangent relation. Okay, and again give it a tangent relation. So this arc must be tangent to this one, and this arc must be tangent to this circle. And here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 100 millimeter. And the radius of this one is 150 divided by 2. Yes, the radius of this arc is 75 millimeter. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it equal relation because they have both the same radius. So you can see the sketch is still underdefined because the arcs are still blue and the sketch is moving. So hold the control button and choose this point. This is the center of this arc and the origin point, and give it a coincidence relation. Here in add relation, you can give it coincidence relation. And now all we have to do is just mirror these arcs to this side of the center line. So here in mirror entities, in entities to mirror, choose these three arcs, and in mirror about choose the center line. Here turn on the copy and click on OK. Now the sketch is complete, and all we have to do is just extrude the sketch. Here comes the feature tab. If you don't have the feature tab, you can right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here comes the feature tab and click on extrude boss and base. And here choose this region and this one, and we have to extrude the sketch about 20 millimeter. And don't turn on these two options. Here must be blind and click on OK. And now we have to again extrude the sketch. So you can see the depth of each part of the model is different. So here choose this sketch and choose the extrude boss and base. And we have to extrude this region and this one. Here in selected contours, choose these two regions, and we have to extrude the sketch about 70 millimeter. And here turn on the merge result is very important. Here must be a sketch plane blind and click on OK. Again, choose this sketch and come to extrude boss and base, and we have to extrude this region. So in selected contour, choose this region and this one, and here turn on the merge result. We have to extrude the sketch about 40 millimeter, and don't turn on these two options. Here must be sketch plane blind and OK. So the model is complete. Now we have to apply a color. So here choose this extrusion, and in edit appearance we can change the color, for example, to this color. And the color of this extrusion should be I think purple is better, so you can change the color to purple. So you can change the color of each part of the model, or you can hold the control button and choose this through extrusion and give it one color. So here I can change the color of this extrusion, for example, to green. I think green is better. Yes. And in view orientation we can choose this view. I think this view is much better. Yes. I will leave the link of this dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing in SolidWorks, drawing sketch, and many other things about SolidWorks. Please practice at home, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.